have a great day and a very warm welcome to this channel again. Today we are going to discuss about another phylum of animal kingdom. In previous video we have already described about Annelida, and today we are going to discuss about Arthropoda in detail. Okay, let's come to Arthropoda phylum. Arthropoda. As you know, this phylum is regarded as most successful among all phylum, and it is the largest phylum. It is largest and most successful. Why these are successful? Because these are occupied by different type of habitat: aquatic, terrestrial, aerial, burrowing, arboreal. All habitat have been filled by it, Arthropoda. There are about 11 lakh, more than 11 lakh, not 11 lakh, more than 11 lakh of species of Arthropoda, which accounts more than two-thirds of total species belongs to this phylum Arthropoda. More than two-thirds, more than 11 lakh species are found. Okay, it consists of 80 to 83% of total invertebrate invertebrates. Okay, these are named as Arthropoda because these have jointed appendages. Due to jointed appendage, these are called as Arthropoda. Okay, so let's discuss about the detailed characteristic of this phylum. In view of habitat, it can be seen everywhere. It is omnipresent, found in all habitats. These are found in all habitats. Okay. The second condition, the body is divided into head, thorax, abdomen. Body consists of head, thorax and abdomen. Body wall is triploblastic body wall. Okay, the body covered by काइटिनस एक्सोस्केलेटन. इसमें एंडोस्केलेटन नहीं होगा, एक्सोस्केलेटन काइटिन में फॉर्मेशन होगा. द एक्सटर्नल सेगमेंटेशन is clear. Suppose this is the body. The body is divided into segments. Metamers are found. Above it there is exoskeleton, which is called as chitin. In between the chitin there is a flexible membrane. This flexible membrane is called as arthroidal membrane. The arthroidal membrane make its locomotion and movement coordinated. Okay, so किसी ऑर्गेनिज्म का ऊपर में एक्सोस्केलेटन होगा तो कंटिन्यूस होगा, बट इसमें दो एक्सोस्केलेटन, सपोज ये दोनों एक्सोस्केलेटन होगा, उसके बीच में आर्थ्रोइडियल मेम्ब्रेन होगा. द आर्थ्रोइडियल मेम्ब्रेन हेल्प इन मूवमेंट और फोल्डिंग ऑफ बॉडी as if it, even if it is covered by exoskeleton. Clear? The chitinous layers, otherwise it is called as sclerite. Two adjacent sclerite are joined by arthroidal membrane. Okay, the chitinous skeleton help Arthropoda in many ways. How? It first help in preventing loss of water, prevention of dehydration. It help in protection from the enemies. It also protect it from dust particles. So the chitinous layer, it is one of the very essential component of Arthropoda phylum. Okay, then the body plan, organ system grade of organization. Okay, organ system grade of organization, organ system grade of organization. The body is formed of tube within tube body plan. There is a tube within tube body plan. Okay, it shows bilateral symmetry. Body can be divided into equal to two half in one plane of division. Bilateral symmetry is seen. True coelom, but the coelom is schizocoelom. Schizocoelom, but it is true coelom. Schizocoelom में क्या होगा? In schizocoelom, mesoderm do not line the body cavity. It is formed by splitting of mesoderm, but the coelom is true. Okay. Then the locomotion takes place by jointed appendage. Respiration takes place by gills, book lungs or tracheal system, book lungs and tracheal system. These are the different respiratory organ of various type of habitat. Okay. Then excretion. It takes place by Malpighian table. Green gland, एक green color का होता है. The green gland, when it opens at antenna, these are called as antennary gland. When these open at coxa, इससे जो appendage होगा, appendage का two part, coxa basis, यहाँ पे joint होगा ना, एक coxa में coxa basis, body the part immediately joining body is coxa basis, then exoendopodite. These are the part of appendage. कोक्सा में ये ओपनिंग होगा, इसलिए उसको कोक्साल ग्लैंड बोलते हैं. कोक्साल ग्लैंड. When it opens at antenna, it is called as antennary gland. All are excretory organ. Circulation is open type circulation. Different pigments found in blood. Hemoglobin, hemocyanin, chlorocruronin, erythrocyanin, different pigments are found in blood. So different colored pattern found in its blood. Okay. The brain and sense organ well developed. Brain and sense organ well developed. Okay. Then if we discuss about reproduction, these are dioecious, internal fertilization, sexes separate, internal fertilization, development is indirect, but remember in one arthropoda the development is direct. Okay. Internal fertilization due to presence of numerous larvae are found. Numerous larvae showing indirect development. Okay. But in case of scorpion, it direct development is also seen. In which case scorpion development is direct. Economically, this phylum is very important because various type of human essential products have been recovered from arthropoda phylum. Okay. So it is all about this phylum. We will discuss about its classification in later classes. Okay. Thank you all.